Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a smooth scrolling link to jump to a specific part of a page in Hostinger website builder. As you see here, if I click on this link, it automatically lands on this page and also scroll down for me. Let's give it another try. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then click on websites, and next to the website that you want to add your smooth scrolling link, or where you want to link to a specific section, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and if I go to this menu page, I have this section called, or not this section, I think, yes. I want to make a smooth scrolling to this order now section. So let's see how to do, or I want to link to this order now section that requires a little bit of scrolling from the home page, from this button. So what I need to do first, I need to create the anchor for this. Since I want this scrolling to be here, I need to create an anchor for this section. So how to do it? Select this section first, then click on more, and not more. Click on edit section, then jump to the anchor tab, and here give this anchor a name. For example, order now. Now this, you need to copy this, or without copying this this link, simply close this window, then go where you want your link to be. In my case, I want to link using this button, so I will select the button, click on edit button, and here link, and below link to, I will select section, and here I will select my section, and the name that I gave my section before, in just a second, it will show up here. As you see, order now. Select it like that, then close this window, and don't forget to update your website. Now that my website is updated, let's give it a visit. And now when I click on this order now button, I will be jumped to this exact section without having to scroll down. Let's give it another try. Order now, one click. And as you see, I was automatically scrolled to this selected section. Here in this link, you should not create your link only using a button. You can create a simple link. For example, let's add a text link. Let's add it here, for example. Let's add it order now link. Select it first. I will make it white, then I will add a link, same thing, link to a section, and this is the section I want to link to. Click on save, update. Now let's view this new link. As you see, this is a text link. When I click on it, it scrolls automatically down to the linked section. And this is how to add a smooth scrolling link to jump to a specific part of a page in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.